Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back. So for some reason this particular day I was excited. I don't know the reason why I was excited before filming, but I was excited, and that actually influenced the outcome of that particular day's shoot. The hairstyle, the makeup, the fact that I was excited before filming, it affected the outcome, because the outcome was really nice. The makeup was dope, the hair was dope, everything was really nice on this particular day. Okay, so today's video is going to be another natural hair tutorial. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ade Doing. You can call me Doing for sure. That's what most people call me in real life. Okay, so today's video, like I said, is going to be another natural hair tutorial, and I'm going to be taking you guys through how I create a curly bun, just as you have seen from the thumbnail. But a curly bun was actually not the first thing. That was not the idea, that was not the initial thing I wanted to do on this particular day. I wanted to create a braided bun tutorial, but it didn't work out. But you are going to see it. Just stay with me, make sure you watch this video to the end to see all the all the magic that I performed. Okay, so just like you want to create any bun, or when you want to put your hair in a puff, you want to make sure that you lay your hair with any gel of your choice. And for this video, for the purpose of this tutorial, I used an eco styler gel. I use eco styler gel most of the time. If you have been watching my videos, then you would know that me and eco styler, we are like 5 and 6. Nobody can separate us. Don't let me say nobody can separate us. You can actually separate us, because eco styler gel has been falling my hand for some time now, so you can actually separate us. Yes, you can separate us. But Eco Styler is one of the gels that I've been using, and that is the only thing that I've been using for a long time now. So after putting my hair in a puff like this, I went ahead to put my hair in small twist. If your hair is shorter than my own, you don't need to do this step. Just proceed to attaching whatever you want to attach to your hair. But because my hair is actually of medium length, I have some length. Yes, I have some length. I actually went ahead to put my hair into smaller twist. That way it will be easy for me to put everything in a smaller bun before proceeding to attach anything I want to attach to my hair. Okay, because I style my hair a lot, and that requires manipulation. Even though my hairstyles are always low manipulation styles, but it still requires some sort of manipulation. So I always find the best way possible to create these hairstyles. Just imagine if I have to put all that hair in a big braid. It's going to be stressful. Yeah, you know that it's going to be stressful, and it's going to require more manipulation. So that's the reason why I went ahead to just put my hair into smaller twists, like you are seeing it right now. So after doing all of that, I went ahead to braid everything together. As you can see, it's now easier for me to put in a bigger braid after I have installed the smaller twists. Okay, yeah. So I went ahead to lay my hair, just to make sure that everything is nice, flat and intact. So I went ahead to use this scarf to lay everything, and I waited for about 45 minutes to it's obviously more than 45 minutes. I think I stayed for more than an hour. I went ahead to apply my makeup, then I came back. Okay, so while I was waiting, while I was trying to lay my hair, this was what I was talking to you guys about earlier. I tried to do a braided bun. That was what I wanted to do originally. I tried to do a braided bun, but at this point, that was when I noticed that the extension was not going to be enough, and that was when I knew that I already messed up. But as a sharp girl, and as somebody who is like a natural hair enthusiast, I decided I was going to do something else, just so that I don't waste this particular makeup and this particular shoot. Okay, so I decided to take some crochet extensions that I've had for a long time. I've had these crochet extensions for a long time. I decided to create a curly bun, so I attached that to my bun, the bun that we already created initially, and then I started wrapping it all around the hair. Initially I didn't know the direction to wrap, but just take it small at a time, like just take it in small quantity at a time if you want to recreate it. Because I don't know, if you want to recreate it, make sure you are taking it small portion at a time, and then you are wrapping each small portion if that makes sense, each small portion at a time. Okay, so that's basically what I did, and just follow what I'm doing, follow the movement of my hand, and be blessed. Be blessed. So while wrapping the curly extension around my own bun, as you can see, the curls were not actually forming properly. The curls were now stretched, and the bun was not curly at this point. It wasn't curly at this point because I was stretching it and I was wrapping it around, the bun, around my home bun. But if you stay with me, if you watch this video to the end, you will see how I actually made the curls come back. And it didn't look as if I, went through some stress or whatever to create the bun. It looked effortless at the end of the day. So you want to stay with me to see how I actually made it to be very curly, super curly at the end of the day. Okay, so just stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. So now that I've formed the bun, I went ahead to fluff it out to pick out the curls. So, I stretched it while I was wrapping it. So I just went ahead to, fluff it out, just bring out the curls at different parts of the hair. And I just used my hands to form it really nicely to make sure that it's intact. And I used bobby pins. Make sure that you use bobby pins. The camera didn't capture where I, use bobby pins, but this is what we have at the end of the day. Just tell me that you don't like this hairstyle. Tell me you don't like this hairstyle. This hairstyle is really nice and it's super bomb. I went ahead to accessorize it again, because what is life without accessorizing? It actually makes your hairstyle look completely different, and it just gives you another kind of vibe. Okay, so just look at what we have. Look at what we have. I mean, the makeup service is really nice. Yeah, so I was just trying to be goofy here. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video, and I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye.